Don't forget to hit on the subscriber red color button so that you'd be subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you'll get a notification. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful neckline design. To make this I have just folded the fabric in half, and I'm just taking the neck of the depth to be like 8 inches from the top, and further I'm going to divide the neckline, like from the down part it's going to be like 2 inches. So just give a mark, and I'm going to divide the neck into two as I said before, and from the top till the 2 inch of marking I'm just going to give a mark, and there you're going to get a U neckline. And you're seeing the main fabric, and I have kept the lining underneath exactly like folded in half, same like the main fabric. And from here to here, that till the 2 inch mark I'm going to have a V, and from that point you're going to decide how much pattern you want for the fabric. Like from that particular point I'm going to mark like 7 inches. So till the 7 inches I'll be having the button like thermocol balls over there, and also I'm going to pipe that particular 7 inch. Okay, so first I'm going to just take my interfacing canvas. I'm just folding that in half. Just make sure that the folded edge of the canvas matches the fabric like this, and you're going to mark the 2 inch. So till 2 inch it's going to come like a V shape, and further it's going to have a very thin margin line like this, and till that 7 inch let me mark. So now I'm going to cut this out, and you're going to take a really marginal amount of interfacing canvas from this. So you're giving this allowance for the piping. So when we pipe the neckline, the cord would be standing on the exact allowance that you give. So you're going to cut into the canvas like this. So if you didn't get the canvas at your place, no need to worry, I have shared the Amazon link below. So if you want, you can just go ahead and purchase the canvas from the Amazon also. Okay, so now this is the pant fabric. I just already sewn my salwar with this particular beautiful mustard yellow, and I'm going to combine that with my top. So I just the leftover fabric of my salwar. So now, like just like that, I'm going to press the interfacing canvas on top of my fabric like this, and just press that in place. And now you can see I'm going to cut out the excess fabric. So to make this pattern you need a very little of a pattern fabric, any kind of fabric that's going to go well with the top color. Okay, so now I'm just going to fold the raw edge in, and I'm going to sew on top like this. Very simple and really very neat design. Even beginners can try this. Very simple to make, and it is really elegant neckline. I promise that, because I totally loved it. The color combination, everything came out really nice. So now, matching the center point of the fabric, I'm going to match this patch also. So just placing like that, I'm going to put a straight stitch on top because I don't want the patch fabric to move here and there. So I'm just putting a straight stitch on top of that, and then I'm going to sew on the interfacing canvas like this. Okay, and now after sewing on top of that, I'm going to cut into that the mustard color fabric along with my kurti. And now you can see I'm going to have a small slit notch on either side, and I'm going to turn this mustard color fabric completely inside like such. Okay, so fold that in and make sure you pin that place and press that completely, because we are going to pipe this. So now you can see I have pressed that neat, and this is how it's going to look. So once it's done, I'm going to add this piping cord. So in plenty of my video I showed you how to make this piping cord. It's not a bias, it's a straight piece cut. So if you missed that video, no need to worry, I will just share the link in the description box below. Please do check with that. And now I have changed my presser foot to zipper foot like this, and just sew as margin as you can, because if you sew like a two margin, it's going to look really nice. It's going to look like a ready-made neckline. So you're going to chop out a little bit and take out the excess piping, and you're going to continue to the next side. You can see it should be close enough, so both the cord should be close, and also the fabric and the cord should be close. And you're going to put some back stitch so it will be secured. Okay, and now you're going to sew on top. Continue like this. So for office wear and for the college wear, it's a really apt neckline. You don't want to do any kind of further doing with the U neckline or to the slit. It's just enough. And you can see I'm just adding thermocol ball buttons to this. So in already I made a video on the same thermocol ball buttons, same pattern. So that's my previous video, and sure I'll be sharing that link also in the description box, or else check that or till the end of the video. I'll be sharing the video at the end of this particular video. And now placing the thermocol balls, I'm going to sew that. And for this also I'm just using my zipper foot because I just want it to be like close to the piping. Okay, make sure you tuck all the raw edge of the thermocol balls like this, and I'm going to sew it like this. So once it's done, now I'm just took a piece of fabric again, and I have just interfaced with my interfacing canvas, and now I just folded the top part, and I'm going to attach that to my right hand side of the fabric like this. Okay, so leaving that Y, I told you that 2 inch of fabric from the top on the neckline, just leave that Y of 2 inch, and you're going to sew down. Okay, so just sew at the exact margin, and you're going to sew go all the way up. Okay, I totally love this neckline, and also I damn love the color combination. I hope this camera doesn't capture the real beauty of the color, but it just came out really beautiful, guys, believe me. And once it's done, you're going to place the balls on top of this, and you're going to sew that again just by closing that. So watch the video till end because I'll be showing you how to finish off the neckline, and at the end of this video I'll be sharing the end result of this neckline also. So just pushing the balls in, and you're going to sew it like such, and this is the end result. And now fold the fabric in half. Make sure that you match both the cords like this, and this is how it's going to look. Then just fold the lining fabric and make sure that you leave 1 inch of the folded lining outside the neckline. Okay, and I'm going to mark the exact U neckline like such. Okay, and then I'll be taking my interfacing canvas, and I'll be cutting the same. Okay, so it should be more than the required amount to the outer side of the neckline. So I'm just darkening it a little bit, and I'm just placing the neckline on top of my interfacing canvas. It's been already folded in half. And if you want the bell pins also, that's a head pin, you can check the description box. I have already shared the pins also, because most of them are just want to know where I bought this, that they don't get that in their particular area. So I don't want everyone to get use of that, so I'm just placing my link below. If you want, you can check with that also. So now I'm just sewing my interfacing canvas with a lining like this, and just fold that in, and you're going to cut out the excess piece like such. Okay, and now I'm going to attach that to my neckline, and when you get into that piping cord, make sure you fold that little bit, and you're going to sew it like such. So you're going to repeat the same on the next side. Add some notches, turn the interfacing canvas. Hope you know this because I have shared plenty of videos how to make this. And also don't put a top stitch, make sure you hand tag that. So this is the end result of the dress. I totally loved it. So if you like this video, and if you want more beautiful neckline videos like this, don't forget to hit on the subscriber button below, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.